Most problems people have with prepaid gift cards are not caused by the card brand. They usually happen because the card hasn't been activated properly, the billing information doesn't match during an online purchase, or the merchant doesn't accept prepaid cards for that type of transaction. By the end of this video, you'll know how vanilla gift cards and Visa gift cards compare, which one tends to be easier to use, and how to avoid the issues that frustrate many first-time buyers. Here's the direct answer. A vanilla gift card is a type of Visa prepaid gift card issued under the vanilla brand. So, comparing them isn't always a direct comparison. Whether you experience problems depends more on the card issuer's terms, where you use the card, and how you activate and register it, than on the logo printed on the front. Let's start with where issues usually occur. Most prepaid gift cards work well for standard purchases at merchants that accept Visa. Problems are more likely to appear during online checkouts if the website requires address verification, or when trying to use the card for subscriptions, hotel reservations, car rentals, or other transactions that may place temporary authorization holds. That's why many people think their card is defective when it actually isn't. For example, if Alex has a prepaid card with a remaining balance of $40 and tries to make a purchase that costs slightly more after taxes, the transaction may be declined. The issue isn't the card. It's simply that the available balance isn't enough to cover the full amount. Now consider John, who wants to buy something online. Before shopping, he checks whether the card requires registration for online purchases and confirms the available balance. He enters the billing information exactly as required, and the payment goes through without a problem. A few extra minutes of preparation can prevent the most common checkout errors. Another mistake is assuming prepaid gift cards work everywhere. A regular credit card does. Some merchants don't accept prepaid cards for recurring payments or transactions that require additional verification. Checking the merchant's payment policy before placing an order can save a lot of frustration. If you're choosing between different prepaid Visa gift cards, don't focus only on the brand name. Read the card packaging, review any applicable terms, understand where the card can be used, and check whether online registration is recommended or required. Those details usually matter much more than whether the card is sold under the vanilla name or another Visa gift card program. The bottom line is simple. Neither vanilla gift cards nor other Visa gift cards consistently have fewer issues across every situation. Most successful purchases come down to proper activation, knowing your available balance, following the issuer's instructions, and using the card for eligible transactions. Do those 4 things, and you'll avoid the problems that affect most users. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other gift card guides.